NASA's Artemis II mission is redefining what we know about human space exploration. The mighty Space Launch System ignites, lifting Orion and its crew on a historic journey. 4 astronauts from NASA and Canada train for months as a team, ready to face the challenges of deep space together. After launch, Orion completes critical checks in Earth orbit before setting course for the Moon. The crew performs a powerful burn, sending Orion on a trajectory beyond low Earth orbit and toward lunar space. Back on Earth, NASA's mission control teams oversee every detail, ready to respond to any situation. Orion nears the Moon, preparing for a close flyby that will take the crew farther from Earth than any humans in 50 years. Astronauts capture breathtaking images of the lunar surface, including the mysterious far side few have ever seen. Space radiation, isolation, and the risk of system failure test both the crew and Orion's advanced systems. After completing the lunar flyby, Orion uses the Moon's gravity to sling back toward Earth. Inside Orion, astronauts live in close quarters, sharing meals, conducting science, and maintaining health. Crew members perform system checks, exercise, monitor experiments, and communicate with mission control. The spacecraft's advanced controls and life support systems keep the crew safe throughout the mission. A complex flight path ensures Orion can return to Earth safely, even if major systems fail. Orion endures a fiery re-entry before parachuting into the Pacific, where recovery teams await the crew's return. The next mission, Artemis III, will attempt humanity's first lunar landing in over half a century.